How to clear cache on Bybit app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear cache on Bybit app. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Bybit application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here in this page, at the top left, you'll be able to locate the profile icon. Tap on the profile icon and then in this profile page, here you will need to tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Here now you will need to scroll down and at the very bottom just above the logout button, there you will be able to locate clear cache option. Simply tap on this clear cache option and then a pop-up will appear. Here you will be able to see the OK button. Tap on it and soon after doing that, you'll be able to see your cache has been cleared. So by following these steps, you should be able to clear cache on your Bybit app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.